Alright guys, so I picked up this sharpener for a couple of little chainsaws that I got laying around. As you guys can see, decent size. It's got your little gauge there to get the right angle. Comes with a bunch of these tips. Get your wrench. This is a brushed motor, so you're going to get some extra brushes there. Get your little wrench. Get your manual. But pretty easy to install. Got your switch right here. Not too loud. And then you also have a speed. So this is on the lowest speed. And then you just ramp this wheel up. So nice little EzzDoo electric chainsaw sharpener.
As you follow it, you push the forward, but that's what that thing's doing. So you go like that way, and you turn around and come from